Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. We'll be removing and replacing the cabin air filter. This will be the same, if not very similar, to most first generation Hyundai Santa Fe's from 2003 to 2006. Right here you can see the lower portion or lower door of the cabin air filter. To remove that, we first must gain access to the cabin air filter access panel by removing the glove box door right here. Not all the way, we're just gonna let it dangle. To remove this door or glove box, you need to push inward on both sides of the glove box to push the ears or tabs in so the glove box will fall down forward. Now you can see the door for the cabin air filter. This is actually the top door. You can see right in the center there is a lock. Just twist it and pull down on the door. Here's your first one. After shooting this, I realized that these cabin air filters are missing the tabs to pull the filters out. To remove the lower door, you go from the bottom side of the glove box where your feet would be and pull straight down on this lower portion door. You can see from a top view how it just slides directly down. Set this off to the side so you don't break it or lose it. And now in my case I had to get like a coat hanger, or in this case a spring, to stick in a little gap, turn sideways, and pull the air filter directly out. But if your cabin air filter is working properly, you should have a tab at the lower portion of this filter and the top portion of the other filter, so you could remove them a lot easier than I just did. Here are both your filters. You should replace them both. If they are dirty, this can adversely affect the flow and efficiency of your heating and air conditioning system. These ones are fairly dirty. You could also buy upgraded cabin air filters that are pollen filters, and it keeps your air a little bit cleaner. I recommend replacing these 3 to 4 times a year, especially more so in the summer months or when you have a high pollen month. On this cabin air filter, you can see I'm pointing out there is a rail and a lock on both sides, so it'll only fit in one direction. The filter would only fit in one direction, that is. Slide them in. If you have any problems, or if it's giving you any problems inserting the air filters, take them out and start all over again. Something probably isn't right. Now first we gotta slide the bottom portion of the door back into position so we could attach the top portion. If this video does help you out, make sure you comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it helped you on. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share as well. Getting done with this process, got the top door pushed back in. We push the top in first, and then down on the bottom we twist that little lock into place. Put the glove box back in its original position, and you are all done. Hopefully one of these videos right here will help you out on another project. Make sure you check out my wide variety of videos on vehicle maintenance. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.